What's up guys, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Despite all the different indicators that I have reviewed with you on this channel, there's still a lot more. So today let me review with you another indicator, which is called the envelopes indicator. I'm not gonna only show it to you in theory, but I'm gonna show you in practice how you can use it to make money in binary options. So make sure to watch this video to the end. And if you would have any questions after watching this video, you can ask me on Telegram. You'll find the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and also I run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to join the marathon. You'll find all these links below. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today as well on Telegram to get the registration link. And without further ado, let's move on to PocketOption and start our today's trading session. So straight on, you see on the chart the British pound and the Swiss franc currency pair, and the time frame is equal to 1 minute. And I'll use two indicators for technical analysis today: the envelope indicator and the Williams R%. And I'm gonna open an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And I made this decision based on the data from the Williams R% indicator because its line was moving up and even entered the overbought zone between the levels 0 and 20, as you remember, which gave me a signal about a possible price increase. And since the price was rising at the same time, I believe that there should be no other choice to open a trade, and I opened an up trade. So let's see if I'm right or not. We keep monitoring our trade. And while the trade is in progress, we have free time to discuss the indicator of our today's video. You already know about one of the channel indicators, the Bollinger Bands, which has a huge popularity among traders of financial markets. This time we will analyze a simple but a general classic indicator, which is the envelope indicator. So let's take a short pause because our trade is about to close. The price rose very high, and our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. We keep going. All right. So the technical indicator moving average envelopes, or simply let's call it envelopes, is formed by two moving averages, one of which is shifted up and the other is down. And the trader determines the choice of the optimal relative value of the shift of the band boundaries based on the average volatility of the market. The range of price changes from maximum to minimum, and the higher it is, the greater the offset. I see right now that the price is rising very much right now, and I see a signal right now. So I'm gonna open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. It was impossible to miss such a signal because while the active price growth of our trading asset, the Williams line, which was in the overbought zone, reversed and began to decline. Such a discrepancy between the data from the Williams and the price chart indicates one thing: a possible imminent reversal of the price movement, or rather a decline. So let's see how our trade is going to close. Meanwhile, let's continue our topic of today's video. So the envelopes indicator defines the upper and the lower limits of the normal range of fluctuations in the price. And the simplest interpretation is that a sell signal occurs when the price reaches the upper limit of the band, and a buy signal when it reaches the lower limit. And the use of the technical indicator envelopes is based on the natural logic of market behavior. So we're going to continue in a second. Our price is declining right now, and our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. We keep going, guys. All right. And while the market is under pressure from buyers and sellers, the price reaches the high values, the upper or lower limit of the band. It often stabilizes and returns to more realistic levels. And this logic was the basis of a whole family of trading strategies called reversal strategies. Okay, and I make an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And despite the fact that the price broke through the upper limit of the envelope indicator, it began a downward correction. And I saw that when it declined, it reached the previous resistance level, which is this time can very easily turn into a support level, and there is a high probability that the price will bounce off it and go up. So we are monitoring our chart, but now let's continue with our conversation. I think we're safe for now. Anyways, there is one simple concept, which is momentum trading. Unlike trend or consolidation, you don't need additional analysis. You do not need to analyze and decide whether the trend is present or it's a consolidation. Whether now is the right time to trade momentum, it is always suitable. There is an impulse, so we trade on it. And our because of profit added to my account $276. That was close, guys. Let's study the indicator further. In general, we have seen a price impulse that broke through the boundary and made a breakdown, and we expect the continuation of this movement. Such trading is very similar to trend trading, but it's more short-term basically. As a rule, such trading is characterized by the use of channels. So it is known that the envelope indicator was designed to help traders trading on the breakdown of moving averages to filter false signals. So that's what it was made up for first. And I made a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the price is in no hurry to continue moving up despite the upward movement of the candle. And the Williams indicator line took a horizontal position, thereby giving me a signal about a possible downward price movement. So let's see how our trade is going to close. And meanwhile, let's get back to our topic, which is the envelopes indicator, right? And the envelope initially helped us filter false signals, as I just mentioned. But not just that. Traders have found that the envelope can be successfully used in other strategies. In addition, the indicator is also used for trend trading. When the price is at the indicator border, they judge the completion of the pullback from the main trend. So as you can see, the scope of envelopes is very wide or of this indicator. So let's take another pause because our price is declining right now. And our take as a profit added to my account $276. That's great, guys. And we continue. And unfortunately, there is no perfect indicator. Each one has its drawbacks. The disadvantages of the envelope indicator are considered to be the same as those of the moving average. So the delay of the indicator in determining the trend, nevertheless, the indicator is still a channel. So it's rarely used as a regular moving average. More often, it is used in momentum strategies and return to average strategies. So that's what it's used for. Right now, I made a down trade for $300 for 1 minute, and this time the price continues to decline and is approaching the average line of the envelopes. So I think that the price decline will continue and our trade should bring profit as well this time. I suggest that we continue studying the indicator while monitoring the trade and consider what a breakdown of the band means. All right. The price continues to decline. I think we're on the safe side. So a simple signal to open an up trade is when the price closes above the moving average. And a signal for a down trade is when the price falls below the moving average. And trades are made only when the price breaks through the envelope lines. And when with a breakdown of one of the envelope lines, you can confirm the presence of the new trend, basically. And the price continues declining. That's amazing for now. And our take as a profit added to my account $276. Same scenario, guys. We keep going. Let me show you the strategy on the price bouncing off the envelope lines. The envelope indicator defines the upper and the lower limits of the normal range of price fluctuations, as I mentioned at the beginning of the session. And when the upper limit is reached, it's a signal to make an up trade. And if the lower one is reached, you make a down trade. Also, a signal to make a down trade is when the price reaches the upper line of the band, and a signal for an up trade is when it reaches the lower line. And right now, I see an opportunity and I make an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. Now the price reached the bottom line of the envelope and also reached the support level. And as we just learned, when the price reaches the lower line of the envelope indicator, it is a signal to open an up trade. Common sense, guys. And it's the same signal when the price approaches the support level. So we got two signals in one. So let's see how our trade is going to close. The price is rising, that's good. Let's return to our envelope indicator. Overall, it has many advantages. This includes visibility, almost ideal to use it when trading in a consolidation, and it has stability of readings. So there are no problems with the interpretation of trading signals. And the indicator is perfectly combined with the most popular technical analysis strategies. So let's see, because our trade is about to close right now. And our take us a profit added to my account, $276. We closed our session with another profit, and let's summarize the results. So guys, 6 trades in 9 minutes and they all were successful. And I made over $1,600 with a minimal risk. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And I would like to say that the envelopes indicator is a very good indicator to determine the beginning of a trend. And you can also use it to determine price reversals in short-term trends. And basically traders in the financial market use this indicator with due care and experience. So all in all, this indicator has a high probability of readings. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you and to help you make money in binary options and in trading in general. And as we come to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I really thank you for your support. Feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments. I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. Thank you guys for your support. Also, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.